Now, I'm a big fan of Notion, but when it comes to this particular feature, I definitely think they should exclude it from publicly shared pages. So what's the issue? Basically, it is with the Notion property, database property for person. So you can see here, I have a person property, and when I hover over the name, you can see that it shows the name, and then on the icon, you can see it shows the user's email. And personally speaking, I don't think that should be shared. But according to Notion, this is a feature because I did get in touch with them initially back in 2022. As you can see, the representative did check this out, and the conclusion was that it is a feature and they do agree and stuff like that. Now, I also posted on Twitter because back then Notion used to always reply when you do post something on Twitter. Now, initially I did find this while I was looking at my list view on one of my databases. I did check the network payload that was coming in and had a look at the responses just to see if I could find my email, and I was able to locate this from the sync record value, as you can see here. I did submit all of this to Notion, and they were well aware, and I actually think they did change something which I'll talk about a little bit later on. So I did follow up again in 2023, just over a year, as you can see. Now again, this person kind of stepped in because I was initially talking to Yana, and Jackie had a look and got back to me, and pretty much the exact same as the first time. Now Jackie did mention that this is to be expected, as when you publish a Notion page to the web page's metadata may include the name, profile photos, and emails. Now I can understand all of this from here. I just don't think emails should be included, and that is for obvious reasons. You can see there's a lot of big creators, and can you imagine if they have some of these templates with their profile attached to it as the creator, and you're able to crawl the page, take their emails from that, and if they're using their personal email, this is a big deal because they could end up getting spammed, and they could end up getting, brute force if someone really wanted to get into your email. So yeah, I think it should be an option. At the very least, we should have the option to say, let's share this to the public or not. However, I do think it's also very easy for Notion to just simply turn this off, because they can check when the page is public and then turn that off. But as of 2025, I did check the payload again and the responses. Now I didn't spend too much time, but I never found any of my emails, so I don't know, maybe they did catch wind of my initial submission and made some changes, unless they actually just forgot that it's still showing when you hover over the icon. But yeah, I think this is an issue for everyone. I don't know about you, but I do think it's okay for internal. If you're collaborating, it's nice to see the emails, but to the public, I personally don't want my emails showing up for everyone to see. Now, in my situation here, I did end up creating my own domain email, which I am using for the public, and I ended up making a Notion account and then using this as the person for my creator/owner. Now, of course, not everyone is able to do this, so I guess most people would end up just defaulting to the same email. But yeah, if you're in that situation and you don't want this, I definitely recommend commenting, or at least getting in touch with Notion as well, and just say, hey, look, I watched this video, I also agree, because honestly, it doesn't seem like anyone really cares about this. I don't know why. If there's another reason, please let me know down below. But that is pretty much it for this video. If you did like it, definitely leave a like, and of course subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.